Pete the Cat's Trip to Supermarket by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete and Bob are hungry after a big day of fun in the park. Dad, can we have a snack? Bob asked. Dad checks the fridge. Dad checks the pantry. Dad checks the secret snack nook. We need to buy groceries, says Dad. Dad starts to make a list. We need milk and eggs and chicken. I want raspberries, says Bob. I want apples, says Pete. Dad and Bob make a long list and take it to the supermarket. Oh no! The wind blows the list out of Dad's hand. It's cool, says Pete. I remember the list. I do too, says Bob. First, they stop at our tent. The sign says dairy. We need milk, says Pete. And cheese, says Bob. The stinky kind. Next, they go to aisle 9. Yum, says Dad. I love bacon. Don't forget the chicken. They almost pass aisle 8 when Pete remembers eggs. Regular or jumbo? Asked Pete. Jumbo, says Dad. Groovy, says Pete. Bob hand-picked between spaghetti and macaroni in aisle 7. How about bow ties? Asked Dad. Awesome! Aisle 6 smells fruity. Remember the apples? Says Pete. Remember the raspberries? Says Bob. In aisle 5, Dad tastes a hot dog.
Yummy, yummy.
In aisle 4, Pete tastes a cupcake. Sweet. Dad lets Pete and Bob choose a treat in aisle 3. Pete picks crackers shaped like fish. Bob picks popcorn. It's cold in aisle 2. Dad puts mango popsicles in the cart. Aisle 1 has sunflowers, tulips, and blue daisies. Pete and Bob picks tulips for Grandma. She loved them, says Dad. I think we got everything except the fish, says Dad. But their car is packed with yummy treats. Next time!